everyone. The topic for today is ABN cancellation. Now, it is very common for clients who have ABN number and they get a letter from tax office that their ABN number is cancelled, or sometimes they don't get a letter, but when they are invoicing, their customer tells them that their ABN is cancelled, and they said, oh, we never received a letter, why has ATO cancelled our ABN? Well, I have mentioned few basic reasons for that. So you need to take care that why will ATO cancel your ABN automatically. They are going to cancel your ABN. When will they cancel? The most common reason is when you stop trading. Now, how do they find out that you have stopped trading? Either they have some information that you have stopped trading, you are not working, but how do they find out? The most common way is when you lodge a tax return and you don't have a business income, you only have a salary income. For example, you lodge your tax return 2020 or 2019. So last tax return when you lodge, in last tax return you are not having a business income, you are only having a salary income. This is a clear indication for the taxation office that you have stopped trading. So there are high chances, and this is the most common reason, that they are going to cancel your ABN. They might issue you a letter. Sometimes they don't even issue a letter. They might issue a letter that we are going to cancel your ABN, and after 14 days or after some time which is mentioned in the letter, they are going to cancel your ABN. The other reason is when your visa expires. Let's say you are an international student, or you are on some temporary work visa or something like that. You are not a permanent resident, you are not a citizen, you are on a temporary visa, you had ABN, but your visa is expired. So when your visa expires, your tax file number also expires, your ABN also expires, because you do not have right to work in this country. If you are living in this country, then you are living illegally, you do not have right to work. So they are going to cancel your ABN. Okay. And the third reason is, which is not very common, but we do see it few times, when someone has done someone has done fraud with your ID. So in case of compromised tax file number, like they get some information from a tax agent or some any other source that your ID is compromised, your identity is compromised, someone is misusing it. Maybe you can call tax office and tell them that I've lost my tax file number, or someone is misusing my identity, someone is misusing my tax file number, someone is misusing my ABN number. In that case, they are going to cancel your ABN and or tax file number. So they will cancel both in case your identity is compromised. So these are the three basic reasons when ABN is cancelled, but you don't have to worry about it. I will tell you in the next video, in case your ABN is cancelled, what do you have to do. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.